Hello guys, so today we are going to grill tilapia, yes. And so I have these two beautiful tilapias with my ingredients here. I have natural made spices, garlic, pepper, ginger, onion and bell pepper, and also some salt, all pepper seasoning, black and white pepper. I'm going to leave everything in the description box. I have dark soy sauce, which is optional, and tomato ketchup, which is also optional. So I'm going to blend these. Yes, and I have my tilapia, so I'm going to create some lines in it. This will help the ingredients to penetrate very, very well. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Yes, and do well to click on the notification bell so that you always get notifications. So I'm adding lemon juice to water. It's optional. You don't really have to do it, but I just chose to do it. Yes. And so I'm just using it to wash the fish. Just to reduce the fish scent or the sliminess and all that. And so this is it. Okay, so I have my blended ingredients here. I'm going to add some to a bowl. And I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning, black and white pepper, and I'll add salt, tomato ketchup, and then dark soy sauce. As I said, those two things are optional. Yes, and you can also use any seasoning of your choice. Yes. Okay. I actually did this for my birthday. Yes. And you know, I shared a birthday short video with you. Yes. So this is the tilapia I used for my birthday. So I'm going to add the fish to it, and I'm going to use my hands to do the application. So if you're not comfortable with me using my hands, please pardon me. I just added oil to it. And so you can even choose to blend the ingredients with oil instead of water. So I'm going to use my hands. As I said, if you're not comfortable me using my hands, please pardon me, okay? And so just apply it to everywhere, every corner. Yes. And then I'm going to set this aside and then do the other one also. And so what I'm going to do is I've added all-purpose seasoning to my ingredients again with salt, and I'm going to add one of the tilapia to it. Cover for 2 to 3 hours. Yes, I'm going to grill that on the same day, and then the other one I am going to keep it in the freezer, refrigerator, for the next day. And so this one I'm going to keep it in the fridge, and because I'm going to keep it in the fridge for 24 hours, I don't need to apply much of the seasoning. If you do too much, it's going to penetrate and your fish is going to be salty. So the 2 hours, I kept it for 2 hours, it's over, and I have my plate there with my rack. I'm going to apply oil on the rack. Yes, oil. And then we are going to place the tilapia on it. And so if you know you are keeping it for, let's say, 1 hour or less than that, maybe 30 minutes, then it means you have to increase your spices and your salt. But if you are leaving it in the fridge for some days, you have to what? Reduce it. Okay, so I grilled it in the oven. Yes, for 30 minutes. I've taken it out and I'm applying more of the ingredients on it, the mixture on it. I'll take it back to the oven again. I'm using gas oven for this, so I've turned it to the other side, and I'm going to apply more on it, and then take it back to the oven and bake it for another 30 minutes, or bake it according to how moist or dry you want it. Yes. And so take it back. And so on your gas oven, make sure that you set it to the lowest heat so that you don't burn it. So the tilapia, you are going to add some grinded pepper to it. So I have pepper, onion, and salt, grinding everything together. And I'm going to add tomatoes to it. I took the seeds from the tomatoes, yes. So grind everything very smooth. So our pepper is ready, and we are going to add gari to this. Yes, so that's the treat I gave myself on my birthday. This is local birthday treat. And so I have my boiling water. I just added my gari. I realized the water was much, so I poured some, and then I am stirring it, preparing my gari, just like the way we prepare our banku or fufu. So this one is gari fufu, gari fufu. And so my gari is ready. Yes, so I'll just scoop and then mold it into the shape that I want, round form, and this is it. So my gari ready, my tilapia too is ready, and I'm adding my grinded pepper to it. So I'm going to add my green chili pepper to it. I have a video on it, so I'll leave the link there for you to watch. Adding some veggies for garnishing. You can toss them or stir fry them. And so this is it for our grilled tilapia and gari birthday special. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.